In the Piggy Playground, Rico and Jake's job was to gather all the silly piggies. It was bath time. Mud flew, tails wiggled, and giggles filled the air. "Who's getting the other pigs on the other side?" asked Rico. The boys looked at each other, then burst out laughing, both pointing at each other at the same time. The three little piggies ran everywhere, zigzagging, squealing, and hiding. "They're so fast," laughed Jake. "Got them," cheered Rico. After chasing them all over the farm, they finally caught them. "We got them all," shouted Jake to Farmer Joey. "The piggies are ready for their bubbly bath." The piglets oinked and rolled, not sure if they agreed. "You